Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here, I will explain the presentation regarding the material selection and placement human resource management course. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andin Wandari, class 20A, Management with NPM 224110042. Definition: attraction or recruitment in the process of searching for and attracting prospective employees or applicants who are able to apply as employee. The process begins when applicants are sought and ends when the application are submitted. Our definition of recruitment according to Siagian 209 is the process of searching for, finding, and attraction applicant to be employed in an organization. Meanwhile, according to Hasibuan 207, withdrawal is an effort to find and influence workers to want to apply for job vacancies in a company. It can be concluded that labor attraction or recruitment is the process of obtaining a number of qualified labor candidates for one position or job within an organization or company. Withdrawal or recruitment is the first step in accepting someone into an institution or organization. Withdrawal activity begins when candidates begin to be sought and when their applications are submitted. Condition: the effectiveness of the selection and placement function is determined by several important conditions and even depends on the information obtained through this condition. The information obtained through this condition will be used as input for a manager in making decisions regarding the acceptance and placement of a worker. The condition referred to are E. Job analysis information, which provides job description, job specification, and assessment standard required for each position. B. Human resource plans, which provides information to manager about whether or not job vacancies are available in the organization. C. The success of the recruitment function will ensure the manager that there is a pool of people available from which to choose. Method E. Review of biographical data. Review of an applicant's education and experience through the selection process. Even though education and experience are not important criteria, they can be used for the important purpose. B. Dexterity tests. Agility tests are relatively inexpensive to administer and record with a high level of confidence. C. Ability test. These tests measure the breadth of general abilities or skill related to the level of job performance through empirical or construct validation. The performance test. The closer the ability the simulates actual job test and context, the test is indirectly becoming a performance test. Reference. Reference are an important selection method used to check education and resume or to obtain information about an applicant's personality or skill. F. Performance evaluation. Various performance evaluations are often used to assess the potential of resettlement or promotion or even the requirements for a particular promotional vacancy. G. Interview. Interview will provide an opportunity for the organization to observe on applicant performance on appearance and interpersonal skill and to ask questions that are not included in the applicant form. H. Assessment Center. Assessment Center seeks to introduce applicants to simulating work conditions in order to improve their performance on work-related tasks. A. Trial period. The probationary period has a potentially high validity and reliability factor because this method measures actual performance on the job. Selection step 1. Acceptance of application letter. In fact, the selection process takes place in two directions. In the sense, the labor-using organization selects the applicant, and on the other hand, the application selects the organization where they have to work. 2. Administration of the examination. Basically, there are types of tests carried out by applicant, namely psychology test, knowledge test, job performance test. C. 3. Selection interview. Interview as a selection tool or formal conversation between recruits and applicants. Nowadays, there are at least 5 types of interview, namely unstructured interview, a combination of structured and structured problem solving, interview and in a stressful situation. 4. Application background checks and reference letter. One of the things that is rare about the entry selection process that is required applicants to complete their application documents with reference letters, requesting reference information for certain people is a systematic effort to find out more deeply about application background. For healthy evaluation. Medical evaluation is basically intended to query that the applicant is the healthy physical condition. They are two general ways to go about this process. First, applicants are asked to take a certificate from a doctor. Second, carry out your own medical evaluation by requiring applicants to undergo complete medical tests and examination site and by doctor appointed by organization. Job introduction, decision on application.